Greetings, I'm from Ukraine. We will start the game without using any weapons, and as a result, we will get the FN200 Storm Rifle, the best NATO standard rifle. This rifle is also equipped with an underbarrel grenade launcher, which will allow us to obtain an unlimited amount of money later. So, we enter the map. We are in this position. First, we need to go to the boiler anomaly, find the first artifact there, then to the dredge station anomaly to get another artifact. After that, we'll head to the bird farmstead anomaly. After that, we'll head to the swamp anomaly. There, too, we'll find an artifact. After that, we'll return to Skadovsk. There we will sell these artifacts and buy the necessary FN200 storm rifle. It's the best rifle. While moving, we periodically open this map to see which direction we are going. In all other games, this rifle is obtained only at the end of the game. It really is the best. If you have it, you won't need any other weapons. First, we wait for certain events in the game to unfold.
Just relax.
Right now, a stalker is trying to find this artifact, but the high temperature anomaly will injure him. And we will need to give him a medkit to save his life. For this, he will give us a bear detector as a gift. Let me help now. Don't get too close. Press F and give him the medkit. Now he'll give you the detector. Thank you. Goodbye. Now, we switch to the new detector. It's much better. We save the game. The artifact is underground, and as we approach it, the detector's signal increases, and the artifact appears on the surface. It's not easy to find artifacts.
howdy ho.
Sometimes, the artifact jumps right under your feet. It's a matter of luck. Save. We have one artifact. Now, we look at the map and move in the direction of this anomaly, dredge station anomaly. Let's go! Now, we look at the map and move toward this anomaly. The radiation is high in this anomaly. You need to eat to restore energy. Don't forget to do that. Eat. Save the game. Reload again. You see, it appears in different spots. So, don't forget to eat, otherwise, you'll quickly lose energy and won't be able to run fast. Sometimes, when we reload, we can see where the artifact is located. Let's try to save and reload again. Upon reloading, we might spot it. No, we didn't find it quickly. We'll have to search another way. Here it is, right? Oh, see, there it is. That means it's somewhere here. Quickly approach. Take it and get out because of the strong radiation. Use an anti-rad to remove the radiation effect. Now, save the game. And now, as we agreed, head to the Skadovsk location. Now we move to the bird farmstead anomaly. We'll rest a bit to regain energy. Let's check the map to find the bird farmstead anomaly. Here it is. Let's continue. Hopefully, we won't encounter any aggressive creatures on the way. We try to avoid them. Let's check the properties of this artifact. It quickly heals wounds. Save the game. We approach our bird farmstead anomaly. Our task is to find this house. Save near the house. We need to get another artifact using the device. We've already seen it there. Here's our artifact. We approach. Unfortunately, we're killed. Reload. This can happen many times. It's a matter of luck. Here it is. Take it. Use a medkit and get out, then save again. Now, we need to retrieve one more artifact from this location, called the swamp anomaly. Open the map and check if we're running in the right direction. Yes, we're heading correctly. The main thing is to avoid aggressive creatures on the way. Ah, aggressive animals appeared, so let's take a shortcut. Hopefully, there won't be any radiation. As we move through the water, we save the game and check the map to see if we're on the right path. Approximately correct. We continue running. The main concern now is avoiding an emission. So, what do we have here? There's an artifact somewhere around here. Let's pull out our detector and search for the artifact. Here it is, near this anomaly. See it? It's somewhere here. Come on, reload. Perfect. Run to that rock. Pull out the detector, run to that rock. There you go. Let's save here and move in this direction. Right there. There it is. Let's take it. Save the game. In principle, that's all. The assault rifle is almost in our pocket. Now, we need to return, pass by the burnt farmstead anomaly, and head towards our ship, the Skadovsk. Rest for a bit, put away the detector, check the map, and move along this pipeline. Rest, check if you need to eat. No need. Save the game because we might encounter animals, and we may not be able to escape. Let's check the map for Skadovsk. Yes, we're heading correctly, saving periodically. Save the game. There's our ship called Skadovsk, where we can find shelter. See, there's a medical facility, trading, everything you need. Shelter, hooray, we made it before the emission in the zone. Here are the doors. Welcome to the shelter. Here we sell everything related to food.
Listen up.
Hello.
Sultan wants to
What
see
brings you to our humble
And we can sell the artifacts too. Let's check the prices at which he's buying the artifacts.
Вот это как медом помазал.
It's best to sell to the person on the second floor. There he is.
See what we can do.
Sell, sell, save. We need to sell for
What are
20,000.
you, a statue? If you got something, spill the beans. If not, take a hike. That's right.
Now, we'll grab
on
some
out
medkits
there?
from the
What's
doctor.
up?
There's nothing else to take. Sell everything we've collected.
Nobody knows the thing. Black is a partner guy to stop it.
That son of a bitch is going to regret running away. Hang in there, buddy. The doc said you'll be up on your feet in a couple of days. You might as well
Yes,
use
of
this
course.
time to rest up. and
Goodbye.
chill.
Hey, Stalker, come here. I got a question for you.
Вот такое знает кто? Сидят два сталкера в баре. Выпили уже хорошенько и обсуждают всех вокруг. Самые ленивые — это военные. Сталкеров на самом корню.
Hello.
Отобрал хабар и тут же через 100 метров
Well,
продал
good luck to
Сидоровичу. Нет, ты не прав. Самые ленивые — это торговцы.
Listen up.
Я вот знаю,
Sultan
одного. Он
wants to see
специально пораньше встает,
bro.
чтобы подольше ни хрена не делать. Стоит только выжигать не пройти. И исполните желание. Ну, дурак, ну знаешь же везение свое идиотское. Одни тропы ухоженные и твари.
Howdy.
Sold for 20,000. Excellent. Thank you, everyone. Save. Now we go up to the third floor to order the assault rifle. Hello. So, I want to place an order. Assault weapon. Great. Nothing yet. Save. We save the game so that if he makes the wrong rifle, we can reload and place the order again. So, I want to place an order. Assault weapon. It costs
Don't worry,
20,000.
you'll get
The
the goods
down
a bit
payment
later.
is 4,000. Alright, here you go. Excellent. Now we need to sleep to give him time to complete the order. You go to this mattress, set the rest time to 12 hours, and press sleep. During this time, he'll finish the weapon, and you'll get a notification that the personal order is complete. There was an omission, they tell us. We head up to the third floor and pick up our weapon. Alright, I'm here to pick up my order. Okay, here's the money. So, we received the item. If he made the wrong weapon, we reload and order again until he makes the FN200 Storm Rifle, the best NATO rifle.
That's your order complete. Don't worry, you'll get the goods a bit later. That's your order. Hello, Stalker. Thinking of placing an order? I'm listening. That's your order. That's your order complete. Collect your goods. Fetch your order complete.
So, we received the F200M, which is an analog of the FN200 Storm rifle we wanted.
I'm
Excellent. Task complete. Save the game. The goal is achieved. Now, watch how you can use this rifle to get unlimited money. We go outside to equip the rifle. Hopefully, there won't be any animals here. So, look, it's loaded. The first thing we need to do is load the weapon with bullets. We load it. Then we need to switch to the grenade launcher mode and quickly press the quick save button. After that, reload the game. Now there should be 20 or 30 grenades in the magazine if we did everything right. And so, you see, there are 30 grenades. Open the inventory, unload the grenades, and you'll see 30 grenades in your backpack. Listen to the correct speed of pressing the keys. Reload again. Enter the inventory and unload the grenades. As you can see, there are already 60 grenades. Listen again to the correct speed of key pressing. Reload again. And so, we have 90 grenades now. We continue increasing the number of grenades, put away our weapon, and go to sell. I'm selling, and you can do this unlimited times. Wishing everyone well, health, and glory to Ukraine.
So, you got anything? Don't let the door hit you. Hey, stalker. How are you?